All right, good morning. Let's talk about SCMM. I'm gonna make it short, sweet, and easy. You know, I figured the last few SCMM videos I ride around and try to tell you what's going on, and I end up pulling over and reading off a piece of paper anyway, so let's knock this one out. All right, 2018 SCMM is Saturday, August 25th. A lot of you guys come out on Friday, and that's cool too. There's a lot of people that come in from out of town, and Friday we all kind of show up in Palm Springs at the hotel, Desert Lodge Inn. We have a pre-party. So if you guys want to come out on Friday, I encourage you to. Also, with the Desert Lodge Inn, there is a 2-night minimum. So if you want to come out on Saturday and stay the night, you're going to have to get another night of the hotel anyway. So come out on Friday anyway. It's cheap, it's fun, and get to meet everybody up close and personal. The real event happens Saturday, right? So the main event, August 25th, we're going to meet at Chaparral at 2 p.m. We're going to do a meet and greet. We're going to say hello to everybody and hang out and sell shirts and keychains and give away stuff from 2 to 4:30. And then we're leaving Chaparral and we're going to make our way to the Desert Lodge Hotel in Palm Springs. Now, let's consider that this is not a race. There's going to be a lot of people, a lot of new riders out there that aren't really, don't have a lot of miles under their belt and aren't necessarily comfortable. This is a real chill ride. Ride at your own pace. Please, no wheelies, no stupid shit, let's just be respectful, man. The police are out there, they're watching, and they know where we're gonna end up. So if you want to be crazy and do all kinds of crazy shit, they're just gonna wait for you in Palm Springs. So you're not really doing a service to anybody else, bringing cops to Palm Springs. While we're in San Bernardino at Chaparral, there's gonna be free water for everybody. Don't worry about it. Chaparral's also stepping in, and they're going to erect a tent, so there's going to be plenty of shade for everybody. If you're a vlogger and you want to come and set up a 10x10 and sell shirts or stickers or pass stuff out or posters, whatever it is that you want to do, you're welcome to do that. Contact fullpinmoto, link in the description of this video. He's a good dude, and he's coordinating all the 10x10s, so it's free. It's not going to cost you any money. Keep in mind, whatever you do bring, if you have models and stuff like that, make sure they're respectful. Chaparral is gracious enough to let us do this in their parking lot, so let's not offend anybody, right? Plus, there's a lot of little kids that watch our videos, and it's a little awkward if some chick's tits are hanging out and some 10-year-olds wanting to take a photo, right? So let's be respectful. About 5:30 we should arrive at the Desert Lodge. From there we'll check into the rooms and get comfortable, and then we have a pool party, and it goes on till late, probably about 11 o'clock. We'll have a DJ, we'll have a bunch of shit happening, so it'll be a lot of fun. It's a lot of good people, there's no drama, it's just hanging out. The hotel, there's not a whole lot of rooms left, so buy your room, get it while you can. Otherwise, you're kind of in a weird spot. The after party's at Desert Lodge Inn, and be a part of it. Stay there.
You don't want to be sleeping in a bush.
Yeah, don't sleep in a bush. And all this information, it's available on my website, suburbandelinquent.com. So I'm just making a video so everybody kind of is aware that there is a website with some of this information on there. Anyone and everyone is welcome to this event. You don't have to own a motorcycle to be there. The only thing you have to do is show up, hang out, and have fun. If you got a car, fine, do it, bring it. Don't worry, if you don't have a motorcycle, you can still participate in this event. This meet and greet isn't about the ride, right? It's not about the ride. That's just kind of a little bonus aspect of it. We're doing a meet and greet in San Bernardino, Chaparral, and then the after party at Desert Lodge in Palm Springs. So drive there. It's fine. There will be food and water at Chaparral. I encourage you guys to start drinking a lot of water, at least the day before with the event. It's going to be brutal. And we don't want anybody being dehydrated, right? Oh yeah, the hotel has a barbecue. So if you want, bring some steaks, bring some burgers, and feel free, man. Cook it up. Plus, there's like a Pizza Hut across the street and a liquor store next door. There should be no reason for anybody to be drinking and riding or driving, right? This is a one-stop shop. That's why we have the party at this hotel. It's because there's a liquor store in the parking lot, and there's food all over the place in walking distance. They also have something called a Bus, which is a free bus that runs all day, all night. So you really have no reason to be out riding after a couple of beers. SCMM, it's free for everybody, but there are costs associated with it. We had to pay for misters because it gets hot. We want water blowing, keeping us cool. We have a bunch of water. We're going to bring so many cases of water to pass out to everybody that shows up for free. So we have a GoFundMe set up. Link here, also in the description of the video. It's gofundme.com/SCMM 2018. We have a bunch of giveaways and some raffles set up. Senna stepped up. They give us some cool stuff. Voss, they're in. Chaparral, they're great. They're going to be passing out some good stuff like usual. And then the law offices of Henry Haddad, they're coming out. They'll be there. So if you have any law questions, feel free to ask. Now's your time. And they're giving away a GoPro or two. They're giving away a bunch of stuff actually, so that'll be fun. It's your one time to talk face to face with an attorney. If you have any questions, write them down and he'll be happy to answer them. And this is all free, so don't worry about it. All right, most importantly, if you're a motovlogger and you plan on attending this event, we need you. Get out there, record a video just like the one you're watching now, and let your audience know where you're gonna be and why you're gonna be there. Without you other motovloggers, this event will die. So contribute, make your videos. Other than that, guys, I really don't have much left to talk about, except we're very excited to see you. Make sure you swing by the Suburban Delinquent Club booth. We're gonna have models. We're gonna have free stuff to give away. Lots of free stuff to give away. So please come and see us. We wanna meet you, we wanna talk to you, wanna give you a hug. We wanna give you the goods, man, right? Some free shit. And with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Again, if you guys are interested in the 10x10, you want to show up looking boss, feel free, dude. Get a 10x10. You can get them at Walmart pretty cheap, Target. I've seen them as low as like 20, 30 bucks. Meet some of your fans, meet some of the other motovloggers that you haven't maybe met yet, and plan some collabs, man. This event is for you guys. It's for everybody. It's all our event. I encourage everybody to utilize it. Take advantage of this. Connect with your audience, connect with other vloggers, make things happen, and have a good time. That's all that matters. Have a good time, be safe, have fun. Later.